Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to use make.com. So with make.com you can create scenarios by going to the scenarios tab and pressing create a new scenario button. So you can create your own automations with different apps. There's support for over 1400 apps. You can, for example, create your own scenarios, for example, with Google Sheets and Gmail and other stuff like that. Or you can use templates. Let me just go back to the scenario menu. You can press create a new scenario, and then you can go to this little light bulb right here and learn the basics. And you also have this little templates button right here on the left. And here you can find templates that have already been created. So for example, you can do summarize emails with Gmail and OpenAI, then send it on Stack. So you receive an email on your Gmail account. It sends that Gmail to OpenAI or ChatGPT, and then it just shortens that email and pastes it into Slack. So you can create a new scenario from the template, or you can go through the guided setup. And here what you're going to do is just connect your accounts from Gmail, OpenAI, and Slack to this app. So you're going to click on Gmail, for example, select connection. So click choose an account, and it's going to make you choose from your existing Gmail accounts you're going to connect them. Same thing with OpenAI. So here you can choose an account, paste in the API key, and same thing with Slack, where you connect your own account. So once you've done that, it's going to work basically automatically, or whatever timer you set it, so every 15 minutes or whatever option that you choose. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.